Hey there, CAT is just 6 months away. Today we'll be discussing the most important strategy which will be helping you in cracking this exam with elan and confidence. So here we go. I have a PPT with me and I'll be discussing each and everything in detail. So stay tuned and watch from the beginning till the ending of this video. So here we start June, July, August, September, October, then November. On 30th we have the CAT exam. So here we go. First is the reality check. How many questions are you practicing every day? So I told you in one of my videos that you should be doing 20 questions of quant every day, 2 to 3 LRDI sets and 2 to 3 VARC sets, and you can choose like 2 subjects in one day. So this reality check has different questions. First is what's stopping you from hitting your target percentile? What's stopping you? Is it the number of questions, the lack of practice? Second is hectic work or college schedule. That can be very important because some people, there are two types of people who prepare for CAT. One is the college student, other is the working professional. So the college student might be having their exams and the schedule can be really demanding, and same can happen with the working professionals as well. Third is self-doubt creeping in. This is very important. The motivation is you're doubting yourself. Probably you have seen the questions in assignments and in the hard copy books of iQuanta, and maybe you are just going for the mocks. So, and if you've seen some mocks or maybe CAT PYQs, so probably you might be thinking that, am I really ready for this exam? So that is self-doubt. Then comes lack of conceptual clarity. How do you know that? Once you started doing certain questions, certain I won't say mocks because just yet to start. So you might be feeling that there's certain things which you have done in the live class, application, revision, everything you have done, still there's some concepts which are not very clear to you. Maybe you have forgotten the formula, or maybe you do not have the proper logical understanding of it. So be honest with yourself and identify what exactly is your weakness or hurdle that is stopping you from achieving your target percentile. Now, then we have the 6 month game plan. I'll give you the overview first of all. So if you're starting today, you're not late, and break the preparation into 3 core phases. That is foundation, application, mock and revision phase. Okay. So the first thing is June to mid-July. That is the foundation phase. Then we have mid-July to mid-September. This is the application phase, not to be confused with application classes of iQuanta. So in this phase, these are the months from mid-July to mid-September, that is 2 months. Then we have mock and revision phase, mid-September to November. By the way, mock should be started right away. Daily practice of 2 RCs, 2 LRDI sets starts now, and first mock in first week of June is going to happen. So just to see where you actually stand by now. So people who are in the first batch, they have almost 70% of syllabus complete. The second batch, it's just 10% syllabus is complete, but still I would urge and I would kind of suggest that everybody should write these mocks. Even if you score less, don't worry, because less scores are not the demotivational factors. They are basically telling you what has to be done, because in our mocks we also have AI driven mock analysis which will help you in gauging your strengths and weaknesses and what exactly has to be done with the expert overview as well. So let's start that. Then comes the application based classes. So after the live classes happens, live conceptually, in which the faculty members come in front of you, they teach you different chapters with the help of concepts, sub-concepts, questions, PYQs, etc. Then comes the very next, the same day, like the live conceptual happens from 7 to 9 p.m. and then 10 p.m. to midnight, 12 midnight, we have application based classes in which the first thing is to understand the concept, then solve the question and what's the solution. So here you are trained by a mentor, again by Mr. Indra Singh himself, and but he won't be visible to you. Okay, so it's like he will be talking to you via Facebook comments, and you'll be shown a video, there'll be concept, and based on those concepts there'll be questions which then a lot of people, all the iQuanta students, they kind of attempt that simultaneously, and then you watch the solution and get to know where you're wrong and where you're right. So till application you'll be doing like 40 to 45 questions, including the live conceptual classes. Then we have June to mid-July, focusing on arithmetic. Why arithmetic? Because arithmetic has the highest weightage, point number one. And point number two, arithmetic is the most familiar topic of quants, because everybody has done that. Time and work, time, speed and distance, percentages, ratios, something that we are kind of familiar with. Also, we use it almost every day, isn't it? In Google Maps, you might be thinking, okay, I'm traveling at this speed, I'll be reaching at this hour. So all those things we keep on, kind of using every day. Percentage growth, like people who are working, they might be getting this appraisal cycle. I think it started now. So how much 5% appraisal, 10% appraisal. So we keep on using these terms in our everyday life. That is why arithmetic is kind of very much familiar. That is the foundation, and you should be completing arithmetic by July 15. The topics are percentages, ratios, averages, time, speed, distance, SICI, time and work, etc. Then start solving DI sets daily. Calculations here will be in sync with arithmetic, because DI is all about percentage growth, what changes. So percentages and ratios are two most important things in DI, in addition to the speed calculation. By the way, CAT has an on-screen calculator. If a calculation is complex, you can just use the calculator over there. And here, do not touch the low weightage chapters yet, and build habits of 2 RCs and 2 LRDI sets every day. Coming to the next phase 2, that is algebra. So algebra has the second highest weightage in CAT, and you know what, algebra is the seed or root of any kind of mathematics. Here the focus should be on equations, inequalities, functions and progressions. You should be continuing with your RC and LRDI thing, that is 2 RCs every day, 2 LRDI sets every day, and mix DI and LR at this point of time. Start mixing DI and LR. By the way, in the real CAT, somehow it has been seen that the weightage of DI is a bit lower than that of LR, but you should start kind of mixing it. Also in RCs, try to solve RCs from different genre, and also blend of genre, like history, technology can be blended in one. And we have enough material in our dashboard, and everywhere in iQuanta you'll get these blend of concepts. Then arithmetic revision should be done. It's not that you will be leaving arithmetic totally. No. Phase 1 is over, arithmetic should not be done. No, that's not the thing. You should be doing arithmetic also on weekends. Just revise, keep on revising, so that you are always in touch. And here you should be giving one mock every 10 days, after every 10 days, and analyze deeply with our AI-enabled mock platform. Then comes the time for mock. When I say time for mock, it doesn't mean that you start mock at this time. This is the time in which only mock should be done. 35 CAT-12 mocks, that is what we have in our platform, and 45 sectionals as well. 15 for each section, VARC, LRDI, and Quants. So if you see this, you can find the kind of the the platform. It's similar. It's almost similar to the real CAT. We cannot totally ape it, because the reason is, it's kind of, there is an intellectual property of IIMs, but still it looks similar to this, where you can see the question palette. So green is for answered, red code is for not answered, blue is for marked for review, and white is not read yet. If you see on the top right, you will be seeing an on-screen calculator, time left, and an option to kind of go full screen. And sections, you have VA, LRDI, and Quant. That is the same way the CAT really happens. So this is how it happens, and this is what we have done the simulation of the real CAT on our platform. Well, and in addition to the CAT level mocks, if you are writing other exams as well, like XAT, SNAP, NMAT, we also have 10 OMET mocks. Well, then comes the phase 3, mid-August to mid-September, where we'll be doing geometry and some other topics like numbers and permutations, combinations. Now, numbers and PNC, I have not mentioned it here. That is kind of understandable. It has got low weightage. So here comes geometry, and start mocks totally full throttle. Go in there. So focus should be geometry, mensuration, coordinate geometry, and begin giving mocks more regularly every week. Analyze in each mock what went wrong, what topics need revision, which section drained time. By the way, in our mock platform, we have error tracker, goal tracker, and once you are done with the mock, after 2 hours, you're done with the mock. And also, one thing is very important, that in CAT, there is sectional time limits as well. So 40 minutes for each section is there. So moment 40 minutes are over, automatically it will shift to the other section. That is something you need to keep in mind, and you have to spend your time or manage your time wisely. Also, once you're done with the mock, then you'll be getting an error tracker sheet, in which you'll be filling in what actually went right or went wrong. So if you do something right, what else do you want to know? you want to know that is there any alternative approach. That is what we have in the mock platform. And if something went wrong, there can be multiple ways to do something wrong. It can be lack of conceptual concepts, clarity of concepts. It can be lack of time. It can be making a silly mistake. So there are multiple ways in which you can go wrong, and all those ways are mentioned over there in the mock platform. You will just mark on that. So if you you fill entire data of your entire mock, which will take 10 minutes, then there will be a huge kind of data set available to you, in which you'll be able to see that what exactly the proper statistical data, in which how much time do you take to solve a question, how much time was the average time taken by all the people together, what was the time taken by the topper. So there are multiple things which you'll get to know in terms of bar graph, pie chart, and it is kind of a very great exercise to analyze mocks just after solving the mock. So this will take you entirely 1 hour, not more than that. 2 hours mocks, 1 hour analysis, very, very, very important. Well, and also practice past questions, especially of quants. Coming to last month boost initiatives, here we have QA 250 series, LRDI 70 initiative, practice sessions, and VARC genre-wise RC videos. So in the last month, what we do all-day mega marathons. As you can see here, we did last year full day arithmetic 11 plus hours live marathon, Akhand algebra part 10 hours plus marathon, CAT Quant all formula revision, most difficult CAT LRDI sets. We did this all. It was a kind of a 8 to 10 hours marathons. Well, final advice: stay consistent, stay real, and you know what? There are people, Sachin Tendulkar, for example, or even in film, if I say Shah Rukh Khan, or the multiple people in the different fields. The most important thing which they had was not just skill, it was also consistency. So because they're consistent, they had to perform every day. So every day was a new day for them. Even after playing cricket for 16 years, Tendulkar felt this is the first time that he's going to play cricket. This is something which we should always keep in mind, and you know what, that is why consistency beats every other thing. I have seen some people who are highly skilled, highly intelligent, but they're not consistent. That is why they become failures in life. So what you do, if you're intelligent or you're less intelligent or whatever you are, if you're consistent, that is the best thing that counts. So you don't need to have 10 hours per day. You just need 3 focused hours. In 10 hours, if you study, you also kind of look at the videos, reels, messages of friends, go and eat something. So if there are 3 focused hours without distractions, that is something which is great. And if it is done every day, that is what consistency actually means. And keep targets weekly, not monthly, because small targets, if you achieve small targets, automatically bigger targets will be achieved. And learning, then practicing, then analyzing, that is the exact loop which you should follow. Learn, practice, analyze. Learn again, practice, analyze. Don't skip mocks. You know what, I have seen the toppers, they attempt 50 to 60 mocks. In fact, I attempted 75 mocks in my days, and 75 is like huge, but I somehow I feel that you should be doing all 35 mocks by iQuanta and 45 sectionals as well, which makes it around 50 mocks. And CAT doesn't need and one thing more, CAT doesn't need perfection, it needs smart selection and precision. Why I say that? Because a manager is someone who knows something about everything. You can't be an expert in everything or 2 or more things. So it's like CAT would be looking for someone who can exploit the resources efficiently in the given time frame, and that is why CAT is a low scoring paper. We have 68 questions. People who do 50% of it get 99th percentile. There's a reason for that, because selecting those 50% is the most difficult task, and this is what CAT is looking for. So here I'll end this session. And also I would like to tell you that we have started with the CAT 25 new batch, and we are starting with arithmetic this week. These are people who are going to teach you with Mr. Introducing himself. It's me, Shabana ma'am, Raj sir, Kamal sir, Prashant sir, and Sajan Banwal sir. All these people have more than, the least experience is 11 years, and people are with 24 years experience as well. So I don't think there is any other thing which you should be looking for apart from these faculty members and the kind of content that we have and the AI driven mock platform that we have. So don't wait, go to the description. There is a link given to, which is a WhatsApp group. Just join that WhatsApp group. You'll get all the notifications of all the classes, of all the free sessions, of all the paid sessions, and college notifications and forms, counseling, each and everything which is required for any CAT aspirant. So I'll see you in the classes, also in the first mocks. Thanks.